Hey there, Libra! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So, bago natin simulan ang inyong September 2023 reading, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, crosswatchers, you're all welcome here, mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin and let's see what do we have here for you. So, Libra, let's see. Spirit angels are asking if they show me messages for their highest good. This is for my Libra people. September 2023, please. Handa na ba kayong itayo ang inyong Christmas trees, mga babes? It's bare months na. Sumisilip na raw mga babes, no? Si Mariah Carey at sino yun? Si Jose Marichan. Okay, so let's see. For you, Libra. Okay, you have here the no place like home. Looks like someone here is missing you or you're missing someone here. You also have the never-ending story. Whoa! I think this is someone from the past missing you, thinking about you, okay? And with this hourglass right here, this is an hourglass right here. This person wants to bring back the time, okay? Para sa kanya, ayaw niya pang matapos ito. It's like closed book na kayo of kung sino man ito. Parang namimiss ka niya. And this person is, problematic. Ganyan siya right now. Okay? This person could feel in that type of energy na parang wala siya ngayong confidence sa sarili niya. This person feels like na parang walang direksyon yung kanyang life. Hindi niya nakikita ngayon yung kanyang ganda or taglay na galing. Kasi nakapopo siya rito kung ano yung nasayang at nawala. Yeah. Oh, so I can see na talagang umalis na kayo dun sa connection na yun. Yeah, look at that. Chaos and conflict. See? Ang daming ending na nangyayari ngayon sa kanya. We have here number 37. Maybe that is his or her age, or baka special yan sa inyo or sa kanya. Pero when you add it up, 3 plus 7, what will you got? 10. Diba? So, nakikita ko rito that you will got 10. It's an ending right here. Ang daming endings ngayon, no? At nakakaranas siya rito ng chaos and conflict. Actually, kailangan niya talaga yan. Because number 33 is right here. Okay, ganun talaga. Number 33 is the powerful angel number na ibig sabihin ay balance. Para mag-balance yung buhay niya, kailangan niya talaga na dumaan dito sa chaos and conflict. Why? Kasi kailangan niyang matutunan yung mga lessons, no? At maaaring natututunan niya yun ngayon na wala ka na. Ito ka na, oh. You're moving into calmer water. To the sea. Ang hirap nito for you because you have here lots of love for this person. It's really deep. You have this kind of deep emotions and feelings, no? To the point na nakalimutan mo na mahalin yung sarili mo. But number 7 is standing out. Ibig sabihin, nakikinig ka na rito, no? Sa yung mga angels and spirit guides, no? Kung saan ka nila dadalhin, it's calmer water in there. Yan. So, yun nakikita ko dito. So, nakikita ko dito na ikaw ay palayo na sa kanya habang siya ay pwede ngayon palang realize on the month of September. And yeah, we've got here the regeneration. Yeah, I can see you. No, na ikaw rin dito. Parang kanto nag-rejuve. No, nag-regenerate dito mga babes. No, maganda ito for you kasi nakikita. Actually, as you can see dito sa image na to, okay, parang may changes na nangyayari rito. Ako, ang nakikita ko rito is possible na mga bulaklak, no, at pamukadkad rito ng greeneries. So, ibig sabihin, may ending na nangyayari sa kanya. Ikaw naman nag-new beginning dito. On the month of September, I can see you here growing yourself, okay, being grounded, connecting with the Gaia or the universe. Nakikita kita dito mga babes. Hindi ko lang kung nakita na pinupulot yung mga kalat. So, siguro kasi ikaw yung klase rito na tidy at saka ayaw mo nang may kalat. So, baka ikaw yun, nagdadampot ka ng mga basura or baka ikaw to na malinis. No, gusto mo lang yung laging malinis, no? Or ikaw to na maaring eco-friendly ka or nature lover ka. Yeah! You're starting to clean your life and look at that loyal heart it is. I can see someone here that is really compatible. We have here the king and the queen. So kung sino man yan mga babes, I can see na pwede mo siya makilala sa iyong trabaho or sa may kinalaman yung pera. Ewan ko kung ba't ko nakita yung sabay nakadampot ng pera. So baka very specific yun for someone, no? Yung nalaglag yung 20 tas sabay kayo ritong dumampot. So, kanino mapupunta yung 20? Yan, na Libra. Nakikita ko dito mga babes. No? Kung sino man yan, there's infinity here. There's love here. Okay? That's gonna unfold. Number 35, when you add it up, 3 plus 5, what will you get? The infinity sign. Yeah, very good. That's it. Yeah, all that glitters. See, dalawa rito, oh. Dalawa kayo rito. Alam niyo yung masquerade, I can see you celebrating here kasi magandang connection ito. This is a spiritual connection. Kaya ka talaga dito tinatangay ni universe. Yan, oh. See? What will you get? 1 plus 6? 7. Yeah. Dahil dyan, bigyan ko kayo ng grade sa math. I love math, mga babes. Like, super. Okay? So, yeah, mga babes, with all that glitters, I can see na meron kayo ritong makakasama sa panibagong pagsibol ng inyong buhay on the month of September. Yung iba, maaaring magse-separate pa lang kayo or magmo-move on pa lang kayo sa buhay ninyo on the month of September, no? Meron na kayong dapat i-look forward dito. Meron kayo rito makikilala. Okay, that with the masquerade na nakuha natin, I can see that that person is really a companion na talagang sasamahan ka, no? Yung matatawag dito na talagang magbibuild ng strong foundation at hindi lang puro hangin, no? Ang laman ng mga hollow blocks. Yeah, syempre kaya may simento, no, at matibay yung pundasyon. Yun. So, nakikita ko dito na habang ganon, meron ditong makakamiss sa'yo. Magre-resurface actually ang mga alaala mo sa kanya on the month of September. Okay, habang ikaw ay nagmo-move on sa buhay mo. Yan. Ito tayo. Libra, into this deck. Right here. At saka medyo busy ka rin on the month of September sa iyong work. Ang maganda rito, meron kang surprise na pwedeng matanggap sa work mo. Tingnan mo to. Pakita ko sa'yo. Pwede talagang unexpected ETA with the tower right here. Kung ano man yan, hindi mo alam, it's a surprise. Pero dahil spoiler nga yung reader dito. Yun na nga. Okay. Dito, pag natanggap mo yung balita na yan, magpapabakasyon ka. Okay? Or baka gugustuhin mo manlibre. Kasi kung ano man yan, pwedeng recognition yan. See? Nakatungtong ka rito sa mahabang bangkito, no? Hindi yan yung bangkito dun, bangkito ng mga marites, no? Or mga lorna sa tindahan sa kanto. Pero I can see you here, no? Na pwedeng promotion yan. Kasi nakatungtong ka dito sa chair and you're talking with other people around you. It's like, this is you na they listen to you. This is you could be in a higher position now or you will get probably a promotion. I can see that something here, something which is a positive change in your career. Okay, ang nakikita ko for you. And it could probably surprise you. Yan. May pa-surprise si boss. I can see, hey, a promotion. Yeah, your boss is here. Look at that. Emperor. The Emperor will give you this recognition right here. Or, this Emperor is that person na makikilala mo dito. No? Na yun ang nakikita natin for you guys. Yung kasama mo dun sa masquerade na yun, a lot of celebration. Yeah, I can see that that person is very protective at medyo may pagka-conservative siya. Pero that's okay, that's alright, no? Ayaw lang yung siguro yung nagsusuot ng maikli masyado or medyo plunging yung neckline or medyo kita yung skin, ganun. So yeah, justice is being served, karma is being served by your person, Libra. Yeah, ayan o, nagre-resurface kasi rito ang alaala nang kayo'y mag-sweetheart pa. Yan, pakipasok yung MP. Samahan ko lang uminom to. So yun yung mga babes, no, yan. nag-resurface sa mga alaala mo rito. Yan, no? Siguro ex-husband mo yan. Namimiss niya rito yung pagkalinga mo, yung alagang binibigay mo sa kanya. Oh, alaala. Nang talagang kayo ay mag-sweetheart pa. Hermit, and there's this chaos and conflict. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Kailangan niya talaga yan matutunan. Kasi spiritual lessons yan. See? The universe is training this person of yours to be a better version of yourself. Di kailangan kasi yun ng bawat tao. Kasi kung hindi makikinig ang bawat tao, ganyan talaga. Hindi maiaayos at hindi mababalanse ang buhay nila kung hindi nila tatanggapin ang mga realizations nila. Kasi yan ay matatawag dito na redirection eh. So, I can see that this person is not opening up and will not open up to you na namimiss ka niya. Pero, para sa kanya, naiintindihan niya na that there's no place like home. By the way, you could be dealing with the Taurus kasi I do believe that the first placement that they have here is the no place like home. So, I don't know if that's the first place or that's what's the bottom of the deck. Someone is also regretting, no, dun sa reading ni Taurus. So, you might want to check that out. So, I don't know if it's here or it's here. So, as what I'm picking up right here, someone here is not gonna tell you na nare-realize niya na unti-unti, no, na namimiss ka niya. Namimiss ka niya. Sabi ko sa inyo, ex nyo eh, ng past person mo. Yan. So, namimiss ka niya at nakikita ko siya rito na hindi pa siya sure. Okay, actually, nagbabago-bago yung isip niya rito. No, nilalabanan niya kasi eh. Gusto niyang gumawa ng move at makipag-communicate sa'yo pero ay teka, wag na nga lang yan. So, indecisive siya ngayon. So, I can see this person right in, no? Gusto niya mag-take ng risk dito pero ang gulo pa kasi ng isip niya. Hindi niya pa alam kung tuloy or hindi tuloy because tinan mo, this is some kind of a pause and then it's a go. It's like parang stoplight siya rito na hindi niya maintindihan kung saan siya rito dapat pumunta. Okay? So, kung sino man to, Libra, hindi ko pa siya nakikita na gagawa ng movement kung ex nyo yan, no, sa September, pero mamimiss niya kayo. At baka maramdaman niyo yung energy niya. There is that energy wherein parang ramdam mo na parang may nag-iisip sa'yo ng sobra at kapag ka napanaginipan mo tong ex mo na hindi mo naman siya iniisip at all, yun. Eh? Because when a person thinks about you heavily, day and night, and yun yung ginagawa niya with a never-ending story, yun talaga yung nangyayari. Okay? Kumukonect siya sa inyo spiritually and energetically. And you are dreaming also, no, about this person. Kahit na never naman na sumagi siya sa isip ninyo ever. Yeah. So, kung sino man siya, I can see that this person is now feeling your loss, feeling dismissing you like crazy. Yeah, he miss you like crazy. Every moment and every day. Yeah, this girl or this boy is so down. Yeah, girl, so down. Yeah. So, kung favorite niyo yung song na yun at tingin niyo mali yung lyrics ko, eh, di kayo na dito kumanta. Kasi yung nakikita dito. Someone's missing you like crazy. And even though hindi ganito yung posisyon niya, kakainin talaga siya rito. Kasi mas mag-suspend siya ng more time. Tiyan naman, ang laki nung time nung hourglass dito. This person feels like he or she had wasted too much time. Okay, nakikita ko dito. Too much time in thinking about this. Walang ginagawa. Yan. Pero sobrang namimiss ka niya. Yan. So, thank you so much, Libra. Yan, love and life. Annyeong.